My project is based on water crisis on Earth, its problem and conservation. Actually, I have taken the project which is based on my district Sivni and all the blocks of my district Sivni. It is 8 blocks. Sivni is a small district of Madhya Pradesh. It is situated in the southern hemisphere and its total area is 8,750 kilometers square. According to a survey, we have found that the requirement of water for a district is that in the irrigation sector it is 75%, industrial sector 21%, and the domestic sector it is only 6%. After all, we have also found that the reasons which are responsible for water crisis in our district is that the 70 to 80% of the water which is used in the irrigation sector never reaches to the crops, and the 40% of the water which is used in the industries is misused. Thus, various water reservoirs also gets polluted, and the same as continuous deforestation and the overgrazing. Except it, we have also found out about the manifestations which and the problems which are growing due to the water crisis. That according to a survey, we have found that the 88% of all the diseases in our district are caused due to the unsafe drinking water, and the eggs of the various animals are destroyed at the stage of the larva, means aquatic animals. We have also collected some headlines related to our topic. For project area, we have selected the 3 ponds of our district named the Dalsagar pond, the Mud pond and the railway station pond. We also found that all these ponds are situated behind the temple, and the continuously running refuse and the offerings from the temples are continuously throwing in these ponds and make the water as polluted. We also take the sample of these waters and we have checked, and we find that the various type of the impurities are present in this water. That's why the various type of the aquatic species are which were earlier surviving in these ponds are about to extinct. We also found that special varieties of the fishes which were imported to the Kolkata for its taste are now about to extinct. So it's shame for a district that our district is famous for this type of fishes, and now they are not because of the pollution of the water. Except it, we have also selected the 4 blocks of our district among the 8 blocks, in which we have found that the underground water level, there's a continuous downfall in the underground water level from 0.5 meter to 2 meter within the last 10 years from 1996 to 2006. We also found that the government of our district has also implemented various action plans regarding our project, but they have not succeeded to gain the desired goals due to the lack of the cooperation of the persons. These schemes like the Rajiv Gandhi Water Storage Mission, Ek Panch Ek Tala Pani Roko Abhiyan, and a new scheme that is Jal Abhishek program, in which the government the government create the awareness among the persons regarding the artificial recharge methods. So, sir, we also found that with the help of the artificial recharge methods like the rainwater harvesting, construction of soak pits and the small dams, the water can be conserved. We have also led an awareness strategy in all the blocks, and we have also photographs and the other things. We have also taken the survey of approximately 100 persons, in which the 50 most selected surveys are also we have. And the overall, we have also led an awareness strategy. And actually a new colony is constructing in our district Sivni by the government, but there is no any system of the rainwater harvesting and the artificial recharge methods in this colony. So we have also gone to the contact with the government officers, and we have told them if they constructed these systems in their houses, and they are giving these houses to the means in the loan to the other persons, so it is good for the others, means for district to have the means to conserve the water. In this way, we find that the conclusion we have reached that the water can be conserved and we can save the water by all the cooperation and the awareness among all the classes of the society, and for the whole world. The means awareness strategy and all the methods should be taken at the international, national and local levels. I would like to say a line that हे नन्ही बूंदो जीवन के लिए धरा पर रुको, जमीन की नसों में बहो और पहले के समान धरती की सूनी गोद को जल से भर दो. रुको बूंदो रुको. So just come and take firm determination that harvest, recycle the precious Amrit, save water, save life.